In this lesson, we're going to talk about multiplying integers. So just start with the what you'll learn here. It says to scan the rest of the lesson and list two headings that you would use to make an outline of the lesson. So just two headings here. So you can do that on your own. The real world link. So this one's talking about skydiving. It says once a parachute is deployed, a skydiver descends at a rate of about 5 meters per second. Where will the skydiver be in relation to where the parachute is deployed after 4 seconds? So, descending is usually represented by a negative integer. Okay? Oops. So, usually represented by a negative integer. So, what integer should you use to represent the position of the skydiver in relation to the parachute's deployment after 1 second? So, let's go back. It says once a parachute is deployed, a skydiver descends at a rate of about 5 meters per 1 second. So, what is the position of the skydiver? Since he's going down, he's falling, it's a negative integer and a negative 5. And I pulled that straight from my paragraph here. It says 5 meters per second. So 1 second is 5 meters. Now, complete the graphic below. What is the skydiver's position after 2, 3, and 4 seconds? Well, 1 second is negative 5 meters. 2 seconds, he's going down 5 more meters. So 5, negative 5 times 2, well, I know I'm going down negative 10. I'm subtracting 5 more after 3 seconds, negative 15. Subtracting 5 more after 4 seconds, negative 20. Write a multiplication sentence to represent the skydiver's position after 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, 5 seconds. So each second, it looks like I'm multiplying by a negative 5. So 5 times negative 5. Oops. So that's what you should have there. So when you multiply integers with different signs, the product of two integers with different signs is negative. So a positive 6 times a negative 4 is a negative 24. A negative 5 times a positive 7 is a negative 35. So remember that multiplication is the same as repeated addition. So 4 times negative 3, okay? Negative 3 can be used as an integer, as an add-in 4 times, sorry. So after the first time, we're going left on our number line. All right, so negative 3, so starting from 0. So subtracting 3, subtracting another set of 3, a third set of 3's and a fourth set of 3's. We should have a negative 12 there, okay? And the commutative property of multiplication states that you can multiply in any order. So 4 times negative 3 is the same as negative 3 times 4. Okay, so it doesn't matter the order. So it's the same thing for addition. It doesn't matter the order in which you add. Okay, so if it's a positive and negative, your answer will be negative. So remember, this is a multiplication rule. So let's take a look at this. 3 times negative 5. So 3 times negative 5, the integers have different signs. One's negative, one's positive. So my product or my answer will be a negative. And I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So my answer should be negative 15. This one, negative 6 times positive 8. Again, they both have different signs, so my answer should be a negative. All right, the product should be negative. They have different signs. And I know that 6 times 8 is 48, so that should be a negative 48. All right, you try it. So pause and try.